We're in Ramsgate today. Got the riders meeting going on here. It's looking official. So here we are, an active Ramsgate for the British Kitesurfing Championships. How's it going? What's the plan for the day?
The plan is we're going to do a briefing, and then we're going to probably go with some wakeboarding and a little bit of maybe how far can you pump your foil. And then if we get a bit more breeze, then we'll go into some foiling freestyle. And then the sea breeze is going to kick in and we'll have a full-on competition.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit. So the wind is looking a bit light this weekend, but hope lives on. So today I am emceeing this event.
Couple of bits from me. First of all, I'd like to thank Active Ramsgate for making this all possible. Tom, where are you?
Just here, mate.
The Tom Court is stood behind me. Tom's going to be on the mic all day, so maybe we'll get a few of you being interviewed by Tom at periods of time. He's going to be charismatically telling the world about kite surfing.
Trying. I apologise now. Pretty scary narrating an event, I have to say. Talking to the whole beach. Got notes. So I'm caught in the act, your host today, down here on this lovely sunny beach. Got lots of things going on, lots of activities happening. Free taster sessions down to the right hand side when the sea breeze kicks in. It is a scorcher here today, down here on Ramsgate Beach. And it is looking like the perfect day for an event. Sitting over here in the shade in the duotone tent. If you want to come over and drop some knowledge on the microphone, please head my way. What's going on today then, Andy? What can we expect?
Hi Tom. Well, we can expect loads of sunshine, that's for sure. We've also got loads and loads of free taster sessions going on, so if you want to come and have a go at flying a kite for the first time, kitesurfing is a really safe and easy sport to do, and the perfect way to start is by having a little go on a taster kite on the beach. And as I say, we've got some free taster sessions running all day today.
I mean, kitesurfing goes to a lot of different places around the UK, and there's loads of different places you can do it. Where's the tour been to so far this year?
So we started off the year in Hayling Island with the Kitesurfing Armada. That's an awesome event. It's pretty much the biggest kitesurfing event in the UK now. And then we had the Armada on tour about a month and a half afterwards in Skegness. That was a really good windy event, nice evenings and good wind all day, so it was very, very happy to be there. And then finally, here we are in sunny Ramsgate. Sun is shining, the wind hopefully will be in this afternoon. And then we've got a free pub tour, so I'm a very happy boy.
All types of sport can offer huge opportunities, not just to participate, but also in careers, moving forward in the future, and just getting people out on the beach and being healthy. I think it's a very it's a big topic and something that will be more prevalent in the future. And kitesurfing offers an amazing way to enjoy the beach. And what an amazing beach you have here in Ramsgate. You're very lucky.
Yeah, Ramsgate, we are the best beach in Thanet, and I welcome everybody here. Please enjoy your afternoon today and look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.
I drove here today from the Isle of Wight for the Active Island, as it's now known. It's quite interesting to come down here to Active Ramsgate and see them also embracing the active lifestyle and the power of sports and what it can bring to an area. We are moving into the afternoon here now. The sun is still blazing. Oh my goodness, it's a long day. It's now 3 p.m. So we made it to the results for the entire year on the British Kitesurfing Championships. Here it is. It's just first place to Max Tullett. Cheers, dude.
Yeah, well done to everyone who did well, and next year we'll see you all again. Cheers.
Wicked. Cheers to that, boys. There he is, mate. There he is. Mr. Dorset too. Well done. These guys are the future of our sport. What do you reckon of the event then, mate?
I reckon it was awesome. I really enjoyed it. I've loved every minute of being here all weekend, checking out the action. I saw like so much freestyle moves going down. It was untrue. And then I was just a little bit gutted to miss the prize giving slightly.
33. I think the key is not to go too fast.
Cool, going in for it.
Shit. 29. I've been kicked out of that bar. We're going to the next bar.
My boy.
Try and talk to the police just for 1 minute, get a couple of fist bumps. Guys, you actually handled tonight really well.
Could we get a fist bump? Is it about time? About time?
Fist bump for the boys. You guys did a great job.
For the boys?
For the boys.
Hey, for the boys! For the boys! Yeah, for the boys! For the boys!